Alright, so this one is going to be a short one. I've got a Google Chrome extension that, if used right, can put a little extra cash in your pocket. So today we're going to talk about what this extension is and how you can use it to make money online. Let's get started. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be short and sweet. What we have on the screen, okay, looks like a normal web browser, okay? But in reality, this web browser actually doubles up as a crypto miner, okay? Now, before I continue, I know a lot of people aren't into cryptocurrency, okay, but hear me out. You can use this to mine cryptocurrency, and then you can convert that cryptocurrency into whatever currency you are currently using. So for me, I could turn this cryptocurrency, which will be Bitcoin, into US cash. I'm going to show you how to do that, so please just stick around, okay? And I'm going to show you everything you need to actually make money with this method that I'm going to show you today, okay? But let me explain to you how it works first, okay? So this web browser doubles up, as I said earlier, as a crypto miner. So as you're using the web browser, it's going to be mining Bitcoin in the background. Now, what I like about this web browser is it's an extension. It's a Google Chrome extension that works just like Google Chrome. You're not using some gimped, retarded web browser. You're actually using Google Chrome, just with this crypto miner built into the back of it. Okay, now I've used crypto miners in the past to mine cryptocurrency. Okay, I have a laptop it's older but still viable. It's Alienware 18. It has two 770s in it, and it has a Core i7 4700. Yeah, this thing is pretty old, but it's still a beast. Okay, but any miner that I would use would automatically use up all of my GPU power and all of my CPU power, making this laptop pretty much useless. But with this crypto miner, it only uses 50% of the CPU and it doesn't use any of the GPU, okay? If you want more power, they have cloud mining plans so that you can boost the power without actually burning out your computer, okay? But you can use a portion of your CPU to mine in the background, and I'll show you what that looks like real quick. So as you can see, I have my hashes per second up here, and it's mining, okay? As long as you keep the web browser open, it's going to mine Bitcoin, okay? And it's pretty slick. I'm not using any paid program. I'm just using the CPU, okay? And as you can see, I can open up another tab. I can pull up YouTube, if I can spell, and it's fast, it's fluid, it's not burning up my computer. Okay, everything loads up pretty quickly. It's all good. So we'll close it out real quick because I really don't need that. But it's only using 50% of my CPU, which means I can actually use my laptop. It's not overheating. You can hear it's pretty quiet. The fans aren't going all crazy. Okay, but it's still mining Bitcoin. Okay, now I didn't want to make this video right away because I wanted to show you guys live that I can actually earn Bitcoin, send it to the wallet that I'm gonna use, which is Coinbase. Okay, that way you can see that I can actually cash out. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to click on the mine by me, and that should take me to the page. Okay, and as you can see, it has withdraw Bitcoin. Now, how much you need to actually the minimum that you need to withdraw is 0.0001. Okay, I'm not going to go into the fractions and all that, just 0.00001. Okay, that's the equivalent of 14 cents, okay, in US dollars, in cents rather, 14 cents. Okay, once you reach that, and it only took me a couple days. Then you can withdraw your Bitcoin. So right now I'm going to withdraw and show you that you can actually cash out using this crypto miner. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hit withdraw. Okay, and they're going to let you know that because there's a lot of transactions, okay, it may take some time for it to go into your crypto wallet. All right, so we're going to hit max amount. You're going to click on not a robot and do this stupid little robot thing. And there's no bicycles, so I did that. But what I'm going to actually do is go and get my receive code. Click on receive. Let me get my receive code. We'll copy that. Okay, currency is Bitcoin, and what we're going to do is put that in. All right, click on the now robot thing again. Click on the boats. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and hit withdraw. Okay, now I have to go to my email and confirm it. So once the Bitcoin comes into your account, okay, you can go into your portfolio, you can highlight Bitcoin, and you can hit convert. All right, now because it hasn't cleared yet, it's not showing, but once it clears, all right, you can convert it from Bitcoin, and then you can have all your options here, which you can convert it to. Okay.
All right, so quick update. So I waited a day just to make sure that the cryptocurrency transferred to my account. And as you can see, here's the notification here that shows you that it did come from an external account. Here's how much transferred. And if we refresh, just to show you that it's legit, that it was a real transaction. Okay, so just let you know that this is a legit thing.
So because I'm from the US, I would convert it to US dollar coin. Okay, and that's just going to convert it into US currency. Okay, for you, whatever country you're from, when you first set up your Coinbase account, that's the currency that you would convert it to. But for me, because I'm in the US, it would be USD. Okay, and once I convert it to USD, then I can actually withdraw it into my bank account. And there's one more way. Actually, there's two more ways you can use both CryptoTab and you can use Coinbase to make some extra cash. And going back to CryptoTab, you have their affiliate program. Okay, so if you like it and you want to share with others, you can get an affiliate link and you can share with others. And when they sign up and they start using it, okay, you can earn crypto. You can earn bonus crypto whenever they use it to mine as well. Okay, so you'll earn crypto, they'll earn crypto, and the more people that join and use it, the more crypto you make. So it's an extra way to make bonus crypto. Okay. Another way that you can earn crypto to convert into cash with Coinbase, going to Coinbase. Let's go back to the home page. It's right here where it says earn rewards. It's letting me know right now that I can get $177 worth of crypto. That, of course, again, you could convert into your currency that you can then transfer to your own bank account. Okay. And basically what they want you to do is they want you to learn. They want people to invest in crypto. They want people to learn about crypto. So what they do is they have these little videos, these little miniature lessons, and they teach you what each crypto is used for, the technology behind it, and things like that, right? And at the end of each video, they'll give you a short quiz. After you complete the quiz, you'll earn crypto. As you can see, you can earn $2 in MKR with these. Okay, just watch a short 2-minute video, take the quiz. Once you complete the quiz, that's 6 MKR, that's $6 that you can convert into your currency and put it in your account. Okay, here's another one, Cello. Okay, you can earn $6 worth of Cello. Same thing, watch a couple videos, and then once you earn it, okay, do whatever you want with it. You can sit on it, hold it, see if it raises in value, or you can cash it out. Totally up to you. And you can see they have a bunch of these that you can just go through. Earn $50 worth of XLMs, Stellar Lumens. Again, plenty of quizzes that you can take. Okay. So you have plenty of opportunities to make cash with both Coinbase and CryptoTab. Originally this was just supposed to be CryptoTab, but I wanted to add that in there too. Okay, just to give you an extra option to actually put some cash in your pocket. Okay, so the options are there. Again, I don't know why I keep forgetting the name of this. The extension is called CryptoTab. You can search up the website itself and download it. You can look it up as a Google extension. You can even download it on your phone because it does work on phones and tablets too. Okay. Something I forgot to mention earlier is that you can sync phones and laptops together, whatever devices you have, to increase your hashing power. Okay, so I have my laptop and a phone and a spare phone, so I have those linked together so I can increase my hashing that way. And that's an option that you can do as well. And you remember, you can also share an affiliate link and get other people to join and do the same thing and earn extra crypto as well. So this is pretty cool. Okay, again, I know a lot of people don't like or trust crypto, but crypto ain't going nowhere. Crypto is sticking around. It's not necessarily the coin, but the technology behind it, okay, that's got people interested. So there's an option for you. I just wanted to share this with you today. So with that being said, if you found this useful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you'll be using this. Also, I'll leave some links down for CryptoTab for you to sign up, and Coinbase. Okay, this will allow you to earn some extra coin also. So check those links out down below. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.